That polished stainless steel bezel staring back at you from a social media ad looks like $1 million. It has that clean minimalist dial that every luxury brand seems to be chasing lately. The marketing screams Milanese sunsets and high-end European craftsmanship. It is the kind of aesthetic that makes you want to reach for your wallet before you even check the specs. You see a price tag that was originally $300, but now it is marked down to $80. This feels like the deal of a century. You think you are catching a break on a high-end piece. But the reality of Pelvini watches is far less romantic than the ad suggests. The first red flag is the shipping origin. While the brand wraps itself in the flag of Italy, the packages are flying straight out of industrial warehouses in China. This is a classic dropshipping play. They take a generic mass-produced watch from a massive wholesale site and wrap it in a story about heritage and elegance. If the watch were just a budget-friendly fashion piece, that would be one thing. But the deception goes deeper than just the shipping label. Look at that papier déchiré sale. If a watch is always 50% off, then 50% off is just the actual retail price. It is a psychological trick designed to create a sense of urgency. They want you to feel like the window is closing on a massive bargain. In reality, you are paying a premium for a watch you could find on a wholesale site for a fraction of the cost. The most concerning part is the fake social proof. The Pelvini website claims to have tens of thousands of glowing reviews. It makes the brand look invincible and beloved by everyone. However, when you check the actual verified pages on independent review platforms, that number drops from tens of thousands to fewer than 80. That is a massive discrepancy that cannot be explained away as a simple error. This is a calculated move to manufacture trust. When a company lies about how many people love them, they are telling you exactly what they think of your intelligence. If you run into a problem with the watch, the return process is often a nightmare. Buyers report being offered tiny partial refunds just to go away. They hit walls of automated responses and confusing shipping instructions. You are essentially gambling with your money. You might get a watch that looks okay, or you might get a dud with no real way to get your money back. Why take that chance when honest brands exist? You can find a reliable, well-built watch from companies like Seiko or Timex or Casio. These brands have history and they do not need to pretend to be something they are not. They offer real warranties and proven quality without the smoke and mirrors. You deserve a watch that actually has the heritage it claims to have. Do not let a shiny ad and a fake discount lead you into a bad investment. Trust the brands that have earned it over decades, not the ones that bought a fancy name and a bunch of fake reviews last week. Keep your standards high and your eyes open for the truth behind the filter.